this is Sue from Createful Journals, and today I want to show you how to change the image in our self-check-in farm animal activity puzzle that's in Google Sheets. So this is the sheet that you will have made a copy of. And so what I would do is make an additional copy of it for your, the new image that you want to put in there. And then we'll show you how to change out this image, and then you can change out the questions as well. Okay, so the one thing that I want to mention is about the image size. Now, you want to make sure that your image is around 500 by 500 pixels. This is what we have found works best. If you use an odd-shaped picture, and then you have to split the image, which we'll show you how to do. Sometimes if you don't get like a square tile, the picture is going to come with, you're going to get gaps in between, so it won't look like a nice picture here. Where you see the white right here, you're going to get a bigger gap. So we recommend staying with 500 by 500 pixels. So if you have a nice image and you can crop a portion out, then that will work for you there. So what we need to do is go to a tool, and it's called pinetools.com. And then when you're there, come to the image section, and you have to scroll down a little bit, but we want the portion that says split image. So you're going to click on the split image here. Okay, and then this is going to bring you to the screen here. So this is where here, choose file. So you would choose the file that you want to split. And you want to make sure on the options, so how to split the image, we want a grid style. So you want it in, so that's the one that you want to pick there. And then the quantity of the blocks, we are doing a 9-piece puzzle. So we want 3 blocks, and we want every block to be equal height. And then horizontally, we want it split again by equal width, and we want 3 blocks. So once you have done that, then we just do the same as input. So if you've input JPEGs, you want to come back out as a JPEG. So do that here, and then you just click the split image button here, and it will tell you here 9 pieces were generated. You can download as a zip file, or you can download each one, and you'll notice here that they're all named. So this is the order that we will insert them into the Google Sheets. So you want to go ahead and you want to download the images, and then we're going to go back over to the Google Sheet. Okay, so I've made a copy of the sheet, and we want to come to the answer key. You'll see the tab here, so go there, and then all you're going to do is you're just going to click on the image, then you're going to come to insert image, and you want to insert the image in the cell, and then you will go find your image. And remember, you want to make sure that you take them in order. So if you have them where the preview, you can see them, but you'll see here row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2. So this is the order that we're going to put all the pieces in. So you will just insert each one. I just did it ahead of time just to speed up the video for you. So once you have done each of those, then you can come back over to the puzzle, and you'll see that it's inserted here for you. So that's how you change it out. And then again, you'd go back to the answer key, and if you want to change in the questions and the answers, then that's where you would do that as well. And then you can change everything in here as well. So basically that's it. And then if you want to clear these, you just double click and then just delete that. And then it's going to go back to the white, and then everything will disappear. So once you've got it set before you pass this on to a customer, then you just come in and just do it like that. Then it's all ready to go. So that's just the basics of how to change out the image. And again, keep the images around 500 by 500 pixels, and then it will split nicely for you. And then again, you just change out your questions and change out your answers, and everything is there set for you. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.